All right, so I'd like to welcome everyone to today's session organized by VODAN Africa. This will be the 16th installment of the Metadata for Machines workshop. My name is Charles Kahiro, and I am the Creative Director at Ravelworks Africa. Now for today's session, it's a two-part session, more or less. So we'll be going through the real-time installation of the VODAN in a box, this time for the IBBUL team in Nigeria. And the installation will be led by Mariam Basija, who's our technical coordinator for VODAN Africa. And I think from the IBBUL team, it will be Elijah who's handling it. But before we dive into that, we will have a brief presentation from the IBBUL team that will be given by Dr. Ibrahim, who's the HOD for computer sciences at IBBUL. So as always, during the presentation, let's have our mics muted to prevent any background noises from disrupting the flow. So if you're yet to do so, kindly do so now. Dr. Ibrahim will decide when he wants to take the questions, whether after his presentation or after the full installation at the end. But in case you have any questions while he's doing the presentation, you can put them in the chat box so we can be able to refer to them a bit later. And as always, we will have our Q&A session at the very end of the very end of the webinar for both the installation as well as the presentation. And with that, I would like to hand over to Dr. Ibrahim, if you are ready, sir.
Okay. Hello and good afternoon
Good afternoon.
From Nigeria. My name is Dr. Ibrahim, the head of Department of Computer Science, as rightly introduced, and I'm the leader of the IBBUL team. So today we will be sharing our experience and our journey so far as it relates to VODAN Africa and what we have done with COVID-19. Permit me to share the screen.
Go ahead, Dr. Ibrahim. You have screen sharing.
Thank you. So as we have mentioned earlier, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University is a state-owned university by the government of Niger State. And let me just share the screen. It's the state-owned university. Can you all see my screen? Okay. So
yes,
Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida University, it's a state-owned university with lots of faculties and departments. And computer science is one of the main driving departments of the university. So our mission is as thus, world-class graduates and a vision just as any other university in Nigeria. So I'll be brief on these visions and the mission. And also the department is headed by my humble self with the support of the Associate Professor IBBUL Badigi. So journey so far, let me just take us straight. We have had so much support of the management of the university as they accepted VODAN Africa as a project, and they were so thrilled with the effort so far and the diverse team members we have from Europe, from East Africa, from North Africa, from Central and West Africa. And as a matter of fact, this is the meeting with the management. We took the letter of engagement from VODAN to the management team of the university. With blue over there is the Vice Chancellor and the Associate Professor, which is the Dean of the faculty, in person of Professor Yahya Aliyu Badigi. So on delivering this letter, the management gave us their words and which they have graciously committed into the journey so far. And that's why you find it almost technically possible that every task we are given by VODAN, we try as much as possible to deliver as such. So here in the picture, we have the Deputy Vice Chancellor also looking at what we have been doing and with a lot of encouragement words And we also give them our own verdict to say we will deliver as to take every task given to us by VODAN and to take our research very, very seriously. So this is part of the handing over of the letter. Here we have the Director of Research, Professor Nuhu Obaje, with the Director, Academic Planning, all in support of our VODAN. So as a matter of fact, you will notice that the full management are aware of what we're doing, and we gracefully accepted what they have to offer. This is part of the full force Professor Francisca always talk about. We have a full team and a full force. We have Engineer Elijah, Mr. Jamilu, Mipon Oku, Abdullahi Kahu, Dr. Aliu Adamu, and lots more. So the journey so far, IBBUL University have been part of, luckily and graciously, we were part of the state COVID or national committee. So even before the commitment of our own department or our university with VODAN, we were lucky to be part of the state management and COVID control committee of the state. So we took the assignment seriously by having all of the state scientists part of our team. The faculty members of Faculty of Natural Science, to be precise, were all on the team, and it was very easy for us to pierce the Ministry of Health. And that's why if you look at our data, we always show you that we have a good understanding, and getting the COVID data will be almost seamless for VODAN Africa, particularly IBBUL University team. Why do we have it so seamless? Because we have led so many things. We were part of the team that exposed the dashboard for COVID and how it is affecting Niger State, Nigeria, and even some part of Africa. So as we have done, and coupled with the previous experience led by Eric and other technical team members, we were able to do the local installation, the FDP, until the new idea of the VODAN in a box came in. So this is what we had earlier for the local deployment of the FDP. And as we have shown before the advent of the VODAN in a box. So we had little challenges, which by God's grace, we were able to sort with our partners, and we were able to move to the level to which we have. So our next plan is for the team management to meet with the Niger State Ministry of Health again to have our full commitment on data collection, IBBUL University case study form, and the fields. So these are all of what we have. So the challenges, I know today we are going to overcome all of the challenges we have, and we will be proud to be the third team to have VODAN in the box fully installed. So the school has been very, very high on part of the leading teams of the whole country. And even we have the NCDC team that visited the state university here. So the journey so far, this is what we have, and we are glad to also share. I will share on the chat box the publication we just made recently on all the faculty members for the COVID-19. So I think so far this is what we have, and as we progress, as we are so thrilled to start the installation, as we progress, we will be able to share more on the chat box. Thank you so much. So this is what we have.
All right, Dr. Ibrahim. I don't know whether you would like to take questions, if anyone has any questions.
Yeah, briefly, if there is any, so that we share our experience with our other partners.
Are there any questions from the team as well as all the participants? Well, it seems everything was clear enough. I guess now we can jump to the next stage, which is the actual installation of the VIB. I don't know whether Mariam, can you hear us?
Yes.
Good stuff. Then I can hand it over to you and Elijah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Charles.
During yesterday's session, we had a session with the team, and we did most of the work. Um, so for today's session, we'll just basically be doing the smallest percentage of it. So I think Elijah, could you share your screen, please?
Okay, madam. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So in yesterday's session, we basically downloaded the VODAN in a box, copied it to the server, and then we configured the domains and created the SSL certificates. And so we're now on the first stat of the VODAN in a box. So Joseph, if you can go to the directory.
I'm there.
Yes. So just Docker compose app -d. So it'll take some time to complete. So today's session will be so brief because, as you can tell, most of the work was covered yesterday. So I think that's a good thing, so that everyone can end their day early. Yeah, it takes some time. Oh, great. Could you put the command docker ps -a? No.
Docker Compose.
No, not docker compose. Just docker without the compose. Yeah. Space ps -a to just check and see what containers are running.
-a.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, everything looks fine. I'll scroll down just a bit. Okay. So could you check on the, could you navigate to DSW on your, yeah? Just to see if everything is working fine.
It's not loading.
Yeah, it's not loading. Could you just put the full HTTPS and see if it will work?
Not loading.
Okay. Let's go back.
Okay.
Maybe we didn't configure something right. Oh. How about the FTP? Could you try the FTP link?
Okay, let me try the FTP link. Same error.
Okay. Could you Docker compose it down? Go back to your shell.
Okay.
Yeah, Docker compose it down. Okay, guys, this is going to be longer than we expected. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't know what happened. Okay, so I think we need to double check all the documents first.
Okay.
Let's start with the first one. Proxy, could you change to directory, proxy, and Nginx?
Yes. Okay. I'm there.
Yes. Could you go to agraph.com? Edit agraph.com.
I'm there.
We need to make sure all the name was entered correctly.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Server. That's correct. Yeah.
Is correct.
Okay. And then the next one. SparkQL. Okay, that's fine. and okay, that's good.
Should I go down?
Yes, down. Oh, look, there. Do you see location?
Yes, I see location. Yes.
That part.
Okay. I've done that.
Then down.
Server name again.
Yes, that part. How come?
Okay.
How come this looks okay? Okay. Were you saving? You were saving during the session yesterday, right?
Yes, I was saving during this section.
Okay, this is weird, but okay.
Like we didn't actually change this yesterday.
We didn't. We actually. Oh, we didn't.
We
So
didn't.
was it with you? I had the session yesterday, or no?
It was with me.
And we didn't change this part.
We didn't change this part.
Oh, okay. Then go back again, up.
Up.
Yeah, just to double check. Sure. So everywhere you see an exclamation mark, you have to make sure that that part is edited.
Okay.
Okay, so that looks good. Up more till the end. Okay.
Yes.
Just save, then let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Could you go back just to see if it's saved? Just to double check. Yeah. Scroll down. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So let's go to dsw.com. Yeah. Okay. Then scroll down. Okay. Down, yeah. That part needs to be changed too.
Okay.
Down. Oh, the certificates.
Okay.
Oh wow. So we might have to recreate. Okay, let me see. Yeah, just edit that. Yeah. Then
Listo.
scroll down some more. Yep. That part. I honestly remember us editing these parts yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. Then okay, then go up. Okay. So save and till the end.
Amazing.
Not till the end, up till the end. No, upwards. Sorry.
Up.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Save. Let's go to the next one. Just double check. Sorry, now I'm going to have to double check every time we finish.
Okay.
Scroll down. Okay, great. Next, fdp.conf. Yeah.
There.
Scroll down. That part. Yeah. Then scroll down. Yeah.
I've saved it.
Okay. Then back. Double check, please. Scroll down. Okay, perfect. So let's go a layer down. Let's go back to VODAN.
Okay.
Then edit Docker compose.yml. Oh, okay.
By the end of the document.
Yeah, okay. Back up, sorry, one sec. Up to the
Up.
end. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, back. Then next, we go to DSW. Yeah. Server. Yep. Then edit the application.yml file. Okay. So the first one.
Find URL.
Yeah, that one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that's it for that one. Just check. Mm-hmm. Then
Yeah.
save, yeah.
Can I double check this?
Yes, yes, please. Okay, that looks great. So let's go to the FTP folder. Down, yeah, okay, great. No. Yeah. That's good. Then scroll down.
That's the end of the document.
Okay, great. Let's go to the next one, save. Yeah.
Can we double check this?
Yes, double check. Okay, yeah, perfect. Then let's go to, okay, I think that looks okay. Then, then now try Docker Compose up again. Hold on, 1 sec.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Docker Compose at -d.
So we should not check the Allegro graph?
We don't really have anything to edit. Oh, but let's double check just in case, yeah.
Okay.
I think you put a space in between VODAN and the
Allegro graph.
yeah. Yeah. Then a graph.
I can exit.
Scroll down, see. Yep. Okay, that's great. Oh, keep in mind, you have to change the passwords, the secret keys, the service tokens.
Okay.
After this session, so just go back.
Okay.
And, yeah, to VODAN. So this should work, guys. Then Docker compose app -d. Okay, just check Docker ps-a
Okay.
if the containers are running. Up, scroll up. Let me see the engine export. The engine export. Back up
Okay.
a little, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. So
Okay.
just go to your check on the DSW. Navigate to DSW.
Okay.
Yeah. Great, that works. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Reload.
Okay.
Wow. So just log in to
Okay.
yeah, Albert Einstein. I think it's the one. Okay. Yeah. Then password lowercase. Yeah. Then login. That works fine.
Yes.
So then now go to the ProQL.
Sorry. Am I getting it right?
Okay, this is weird. I hope we did not miss anything again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back.
Okay. Back to the terminal.
Yeah, I think this must be something with the certificates. So Docker
Okay.
compose it down.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to try to obtain the certificates.
Okay.
Yeah. To reobtain, see. So could you go to proxy? Nginx, yeah. And then edit the nginx.com. Yeah. Down, comment out the lines.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, the last three. Those last three.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Then save.
I've saved.
Yeah, then
Exit.
yeah, exit.
Should I double check?
Yes. Okay, perfect. Then so Docker compose app minus the proxy. Docker compose.
In the same folder?
You can go back up
Okay.
into the VODAN here. Then Docker compose app minus the proxy. Okay, so we need to get the certificates for the domains. Could you copy paste all the in the other document, yeah, and then put them on our Notepad or whatever
Okay.
editor you use. So, because I think there was an issue with the names. Yeah.
There's a question there?
Um,
One or two?
yes. What would you like to do? Okay, one. That's okay. One.
Okay.
Then for the next one, so we're just basically double checking, see if we created the certificates for all the domains. Okay.
Same question.
Great. Yeah, let's go on. One. The next one.
Same question.
Yeah, one. Just do one, then the last one. Yep. Okay, perfect. So let's create a certificate file.
Okay.
There's that command in the document. So just copy paste it right there at the bottom, yeah, and into the document or edit. No, not in there. Yeah. So just edit that part.
The master.
Okay.
Yeah, then the rest of it as well. Okay, so
I've done that.
yeah. Uh,
Are we working on the same directory?
wait, let me see.
Okay.
Could you double check to see you did not move anything, right?
No.
Let me see it again, where you copied it from. Could you just copy and paste the new one on
Okay.
just below? This should work.
Oh, this is not complete.
Okay, so you're missing something. Could you just like select it from the beginning till the end? Yes.
Okay. I've done that.
Yeah, and then just enter, yeah. Okay, edit. So okay. Did it just bring the same error?
Yes, bring the same error. That bash is a directory. Are we to do it on this directory? On the VODAN directory?
Yes, because we're trying to merge the keys obtained from the Let's Encrypt. Do you get?
Okay.
You check the copying again if there are spaces or something.
Yeah, I think there's something wrong.
Like if you check set.pem and I don't know, from the text editor or something, maybe there's a copying error.
Because it should not be bringing this error. So
The space in between this, should there be space?
wait, let me just check.
Okay.
Okay, this shouldn't be happening. I don't know why this is happening. Oh. Okay. Let me try to edit it from here and send to you and see whether it will work.
Okay. Okay.
It's SparkQL
Yeah.
.ibbu.edu.ng, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Just copy paste it from the chat and see whether
Okay.
it works.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, same error.
No, I've not pasted.
Oh, okay.
This is the new one,
Yeah, then enter.
but it's same error.
Yeah, I can see. I don't know why this is happening. So, let's see. Oh, did we do this yesterday? We did, right?
We did.
Okay. So, okay. Docker Compose down.
Okay.
And then go to the proxy document and uncomment the lines.
Okay.
CD proxy, yeah, Nginx. Yeah, and then edit. Yep, then go all the way down. Just uncomment. Yep, and down. Then save.
The lines,
Sorry?
the code from include.
Yeah.
Should we start from here?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just save.
I've saved.
Then
I double check.
yeah, double check.
Let's see.
Okay. So let's do Docker Compose app -c again. App in the VODAN.
Okay.
Yeah. So hopefully it works this time.
There.
Yeah, then so let's go to, could you go to navigate to the DSW and see if that
Okay.
still works? Just close that. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Again, reload. Do you have a different browser?
Yes, I do.
Could we use a different web browser and then clear your cache?
Okay.
Okay, then could we check on the other, the SparkUL?
Okay. Still same error.
Yeah. Okay, maybe it's try again. And how about the FTP? Could you try the FTP? Okay, so the FTP works. It's just
Yeah.
wizard. Could you go or maybe there's something we didn't change. Docker Compose down again. Let me just plug.
Okay, let me check that.
Just oh, let me see the wizard. What happened? Let me just see the wizard once there.
Okay.
Yeah.
The sparkle. Let me check the sparkle.
Oh no, you put it down. I just want to see.
Okay.
Oh, it loaded. That's the wizard, right?
No, this is the the CRF wizard.
Oh,
It loaded.
yes, yes. Okay, just close it. Yeah.
Oh, I should close them.
Yeah, just close.
Okay.
So I think we need to double check the files again. Maybe we're
Okay.
out or Sorry, guys. Sorry you have to go through all this troubleshooting with us.
Fine. So it's a learning process for everyone too.
Yeah. So let's check the first one again. Just make sure we scroll through all.
Okay.
Yeah, just to double check.
On the certificate,
Yes.
Miriam?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's start with the proxy. Just, yeah. Then Nginx, yeah. Into the A graph, yeah. Edits.
A graph.
Yeah. agraph.conf. So just look out for the spellings. Spellings, spacings, okay. That looks good, yes? Yeah, then scroll down. Oh.
This. Okay.
That's okay. Then scroll down.
This. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Hello. Hello, Miriam.
Yes, Oluwale.
Yeah, could it be possible that you are trying to install SSL on an already existing directory? Because the error says the directory, it's a directory.
Could we be trying to install it on a what?
An already existing directory.
Yes, because, oh, you mean the error?
Yes.
Well, we created the directory yesterday, so that should be the reason why it's saying that.
Okay. Won't it be better if you remove the directory and do it again?
Well, you think that would work? Okay.
I should think.
Maybe, okay, we just need to finish double checking.
Okay.
Maybe we can remove the directory and recreate it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, thank you, Oluwale.
You're welcome. Well done.
Down, yeah.
I think they are
Okay.
properly.
Yeah, sorry.
They are properly done.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Let's go to the next one. The dsw.com, yeah. That looks fine, yeah. Then down. Again. Look out for the spellings, yeah. Okay, that's good. Till the end.
Okay.
Okay,
Properly done.
that looks fine. Then the Docker Compose. Go back up to VODAN.
Docker Compose.
Yeah. The YML.
Edit the file.
Yes, edit.
Okay.
Yes, then go down.
Okay.
Down. Yep. Okay. Till the end. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to the next one.
Which of them?
The DSW server. Yeah. Change directory. Yeah, then edit application.yml.
Okay. There.
Yeah. Till the end. Just to. Okay, that looks good. Next, into FTP, change directory.
VODAN.
Yeah, VODAN, then FTP, and then edit the application.yml. Yep, the spelling is good. Correct. Down. Okay, that's okay. So let's go back. Could we remove the directory? Could you just enter the command again so that we can remove that directory? The number 4, the one that I pasted in the chat.
In the chat, okay.
Just so that we can remove. Oh, not such file.
Or directory. Is this supposed to be on FTP directory? Miriam?
Yeah. Oh, no. Go back up one time, sorry. Opt, yeah. But it should work either way, so.
Sorry.
Yes, change, go back, up, then, yeah. Okay, so we need to remove that directory. Let me send you the command. I'm sending the command in the chat. Yeah, and then just complete that.
Right?
Yeah.
Miriam,
Yeah.
you should run it.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So try to run the other command again. The one before, yeah, that one. Okay. So then docker compose up -d. First, docker compose down, yeah, to remove any. Yep, okay. Maybe we should prune as well. Let me send you a command to prune, 1 sec. Just to make sure there's no running containers.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So docker compose up -d. Okay, then docker ps -a. Scroll up just a bit. Slowly.
Okay.
Could you make it bigger? Just a second, just slightly bigger. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, down. Okay. Okay, so let's check now.
Okay.
A different browser, not the one you used the last time. Could you use Mozilla, the one you used previously? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then, Yeah, start with, yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's taking long. Oh, okay. I think reload. Yeah. Then the next one, SparkUL. Oh, great. Then the final one, the FTP, just to make sure everything works.
Okay.
Oh, great. Okay.
That's great, great. Congratulations.
Yes.
Thank you, Miriam.
Thank you, Francisca. So we're not yet done though.
Yeah, it's a positive one.
Yay. Okay, so could we go to the SparkUL?
Okay.
And then log in, admin. Then password is passwords, lowercase. Is that you logging in? Yes, okay. So we need to create the CRF repository in the slash catalog. So just type CRF, lowercase, yeah, and then create. Yeah, then go to admin, users, add a user, add right below, yeah. Then anonymous, lowercase.
Yes.
Then okay, because this is for users that do not need to have access to the platform, so they can just simply log in using the anonymous username, and yeah, so that's okay. Yeah, then edit. Yes. So for this part, we're trying to edit the permissions. You should only be able to read. Yeah.
Okay.
Then on catalog, select the slash, the / catalog. Yeah. There. Then repository CRF, the one we just created.
Okay.
And save. Okay, click OK right there next to the CRF.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's done. Then next, go to your FTP, the FTP.
Okay.
Oh, you will need to change the username and password afterwards. So, but now we need to create and publish a CRF catalog. So we'll do it so quickly, just log in. So we basically need to connect the Albert Einstein.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to connect the fair data points. Yeah, so we need to make sure that the wizard is linked to the CRF distribution. So let's create a catalog. You have to edit all this you change the title. We've
Okay.
had sessions in this, so
Yes.
should be okay. Then now just create the catalog.
Okay.
Then just call it CRF. Small.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't matter, but yeah, you change it. Then publisher. That's IBBU, yeah. Then version 1.0. Scroll down and down, 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 then save. Those are the that should be, yeah. Then now publish.
Okay.
Yeah, then create the data set. Create, yeah, right there. And CRF. Yeah, then publisher. You have to give a description. You follow the classes we had on metadata for machines creation, so that you can, yeah, then put the publisher and the version. Publisher.
That should be the scoping exercise, right?
Yes, the one in the scoping exercise, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So publisher.
For now, we're just filling in the parts that are supposed to be filled in. The publisher, IBBUL.
Yes.
Then the version. Go down. Oh, I think we have to add a theme. Let me look for a theme to do with one second.
Okay.
So I'm going to copy paste the thing. I think it's something is related to the data that you're posting. So in this case, it's the COVID data. So I've sent the bio portal link for the COVID CRF ontology. So you can use that. And also, you could also put the link to the World Health Organization. To the CRF documents.
Still under the theme?
Add theme, yeah, I just added. Yes. Okay, so that's enough. Then that should do save. And Oh, why is it taking so long to save? Let me see. Is it possible for you to scroll up? Let me see.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Version. Okay, that should be okay. Maybe it's the internet. So.
Did you check your network, Engineer Elijah?
Yes, I'm still connected. Yes, I'm still connected. I'm connected, but I think it is slow.
Oh, did you copy both links together?
No,
Oh,
differently.
okay. I just saw someone chat that you probably copied the links together.
No, they were copied differently.
Oh wait, yes, you did copy them together.
Okay, yes, I did. I did.
Oh, thank you, Getu. Just
So I should re-edit this?
could you try to click on the second to stop it?
This?
Yeah. Then try to reload the page.
I should try to reload the page?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Reload.
Okay.
Back to the home. Go back to the VODAN app, the layer app.
Okay.
When putting themes, you're supposed to put the themes separately. So yeah, just go back to the home page. Click on the VODAN up there.
Okay.
All the fair data points. That should lead you back to the home page.
It's not leading me back.
Okay, just try to log out.
Okay. I should log in.
Then, but this should be displaying something. Try to reload the page.
Did you clear your cache?
Yeah, your cache.
And that should be
How? Please.
Shift Control R. Shift
Okay.
Control R should clear that for you.
Shift Control R.
R, yes.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay, close it. Just close it.
Okay.
And then try to reopen. Oh, this is caused an error. Okay, could you try a different browser?
Okay. Same information.
I think there must have been an error with the parameter that it probably got saved. Is there a way to go back from the because you need to log in before logging? It's supposed to actually show something.
Yes, it
Oh.
is supposed to show
Go
something.
back to the terminal and check. It looks like there's an error in there. There's already a wrong parameter.
Could you, did you clear the cache for this one as well?
Not yet. Control Shift.
Now
Hello.
try to reload one more time. Reload one more time. Just reload one more time. The arrow that the reloading out, the one there next to the
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
The reload button there next to the home, the arrow that is brown like so give it 2 seconds. It's already past 2 seconds. Now go to the arrow, the reload. Yeah.
This arrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
the next one, the one forwards, that one.
This forward.
Miriam.
No, the next one, the one next to it. Yes.
Yeah.
That
Hello, Miriam.
one more time. Hey. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Why don't you log in again and check the parameters that were entered?
yeah. Okay. Can
Log
you?
in and check those data that you people entered and check if it's correct.
Okay.
Okay. I think I should go back to the Firefox and use that.
It's not a browser issue. I don't think
Okay.
it's a browser issue. It's a data issue.
Yeah, the data
It's
issue.
a data formation issue. Maybe you entered the wrong data format.
Yes, he did. So
Right.
he entered 2 themes in one line. So and it's supposed to be 1 by 1 theme.
Yeah, please try to correct that first.
Log in. Try to log in.
Okay, go. I've cleared the cache. So I should log. Hello?
Yes,
Yeah,
log in. Log in so you can change the parameters.
Okay. Sorry.
About anything.
yeah.
See same error.
So I think we have to go back and put the Docker down. Maybe that will work.
Okay.
Go to your terminal and then Docker compose it down. So we've seen what happens when you enter 2 themes in one line at the same time. You're supposed to put 1 theme at a time. Yep. Then prune one, just prune. The command should still be in the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I? Oh,
Oh, sorry, prune.
Docker compose up, right?
No, prune.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. Let's check and see if this works. Just do docker ps -a.
Okay.
Okay, then check and see whether that works. Just close the rest of the
Browser, okay.
Then try to reopen.
Okay.
No, FDP. Start with the FDP.
Okay.
I just want to see whether this works. First, give it 2 minutes. No, 1 minute. And then you click that round arrow. Now. Different browser. Use the Chrome.
Okay.
Okay, that works.
Yes.
Close the other one. Just close the other one. Yes, so go to the catalog that we created, the CRF, that one.
Okay.
Yes. Then let's see. Could you
Log in.
scroll up? Let me see. Did you log in? Oh
I've
yeah.
not logged in. Okay.
Log in.
Okay.
Yeah. Password. Okay, so
I'm logged in.
yeah, then click on CRF. And then create a, wait, let me see, edits. Could you click on the edits? Yeah.
Okay.
Down, let me see. Down, down, down. Okay, back.
I should go back.
Yeah, CRF, yeah. Then create data set.
Okay.
So the data set, yeah, then CRF.
Title CRF.
Yeah. You have to edit all these after.
Okay.
You give the right titles from the scoping exercise.
Okay.
And the publisher, that's IBBUL, yeah. Then the version 1.0. Then down. So the theme, we're back.
Okay.
Please copy paste one theme.
Okay.
Just one. Yes, that one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then save.
Save.
Great. Then now this publish up there.
Okay.
Yes. And then create the distribution. So the whole point of this is to have the wizard, the CRF wizard, linked to this specific distribution, the CRF distribution. So create the distribution. Then title, give it a title. CRF, and then the publisher, that's yes, and then the version 1.0, and then media type, go down. Media type, okay, let me just type it in the chat box. Media type, text, turtle. I've sent it in the chat.
Okay.
That's the media type. And then save. Publish.
It's published.
So copy do you see the link, the URL link up there?
Yes.
So the UUID, yeah, the number, that one, till 0. Yes, that one, exactly. So copy, and then, so we're going to put it in the, go back to your terminal.
I'm there.
Oh, and then go to submission, CD, change directory. Submission. Then the dash in the middle, like a minus. Yeah, underscore, then service. Yeah, then enter.
CD submission dash service.
Yeah. Edit the configuration file. Nano, edit, yeah. Config. .yml. And so scroll down the place that says distribution there, the token distribution. Can you see the word distribution? So
yes, I've seen it. The line is commented.
Yeah, I commented.
Okay.
Yeah. Then copy paste the distribution right at the end.
You have to remove.
Yeah.
I should remove.
Yeah, remove that. Yeah, just delete that and paste the number you just copied. Oh, wait, I didn't see what you did. I pasted so quickly. First, go back. I didn't see that. Could you remove those brackets? I can't see.
Brackets and then
I can't see though.
Okay. Let me go back.
No, don't go back. Stay right there. Could you maximize it, please?
Okay.
Just maximize it. Yeah. Okay. So delete the distribution, the word distribution, and the underscore before the 0.
Let me.
No, don't say N. Click N.
I'm just coming back.
Okay.
Let me go back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, uncommented. And then from at the end, like the end of the line. Yeah.
From
From the end, the extreme end of the line.
okay.
Yeah. Then and the end. Yeah. Yeah. So delete. And you need to delete that at the front as well. Yeah. Delete those two as well. And the one, yeah, then paste.
Okay.
Oh, and then move the distribution line a bit forward so that the indentation is. Sorry, someone say something? Okay, that's good.
Should I save Miriam?
Yes, save.
And I should exit?
Yes, exit. And then compose down. And then close all the fair data point.
Okay.
Just close them. Yeah. I think on the Mozilla, the Firefox, yeah. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So go back to the terminal.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to send you a command to prune. Okay.
Okay.
Don't do anything yet. Okay. I'll send it in the chat.
Okay.
Go back to VODAN. You go back to VODAN, yeah?
Okay.
Then prune, just to make sure all the containers are removed. Enter. Yes. Okay, so Docker compose app -d. Yep. Oh, great. Docker ps -a. Then could you scroll up? Yeah, okay. Okay, so open your web browser.
Okay. I'm there, Miriam.
Yes, FTP. Yeah. Oh, your cache. I saw the FTP somewhere. Got to reload. Yeah.
Okay.
Got to a different browser.
Okay.
Cache. Yeah. Great.
Start.
Well done, Elijah. Okay. SparkQL. Go to SparkQL. Great. The last one, the CRF, DSW. Super. That's great. So and then so you basically create the CRF. Okay, just log in. Albert Einstein, yep. And then click CRFs, below CRFs, after the, yep, there.
Okay.
Then create, just enter values, anything.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever, yeah. Then select, yeah, perform, then save. And then, so scroll down. So this is the CRF wizard where you'll be entering the patient data.
Okay.
So scroll down, you can say yes. We'll just enter, yeah, then and a participant ID. You could put anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save.
Save.
Yeah. And then create report. Turtle, yes, 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 create. Great. So the 3 dots right there at the 3 dots, at that point is where you can decide to delete, submit, or download the report. Yeah. So now go back to the Allegro graph.
Okay.
And then log in. as login.
I can see login.
Just click, yeah.
Okay.
Then admin, password, and then okay. Okay, so go to repositories. Back, can you see the arrow? Back, the back arrow?
Yes, I can see.
The back arrow?
Under utility?
Yes.
Okay. Should click on it?
Yes. What's under utilities? Let me see what's under utilities.
Sections, scripts.
Okay. Or did we create the anonymous user already?
Yes, we create an anonymous user.
Okay, great. So we're basically trying. Could you try to click on the repository, the CRF repository? Yeah. So, but we're done with everything. I'm just trying to show you how to use the fair data point, the CRF wizard together with the Allegro graph storage. So this is how you'll be working with it. I don't know why it's loading for a long time, but the CRF that we created in the CRF wizard, when you click on the repository up here.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on repository and see if that will be faster. So I just basically wanted to show you the CRF that we created. So I think your internet is being slow. Okay, reload. I don't know why it's taking long.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's there. So view repositories name graphs. Do you see explore repository? Yeah.
Yes.
View, no, view, the one above it. View repositories named graphs.
Okay. I should click on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, what happened? Oh, the internet. Okay, so but we're basically done with everything.
Mr. Elijah, it's not internet, I think. If it is the internet, then how are you connected?
It's true.
It's not the internet. I'll try again. Okay, I don't know why it's this way with this. The server is taking too long to respond. So it's an issue with the server. Maybe we're giving it too much work at the same time, so.
Yeah, it's taking too long to connection, and that's why it is timing out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can that be attributed to the speed of the machine also?
Yeah, it could be the speed of the machine, and where because well, the VODAN is not that big, but it requires enough space and
RAM size.
yeah, RAM size, exactly. So, but
Can you make sure that the server is running?
Okay.
You
Miriam?
can check it on the console, I think.
Okay.
it's very, very slow. Oluwale, is Oluwale on the call?
Hello?
Hey, Oluwale.
Yeah.
What's the distro for the droplet for these guys?
Hello, what did you say?
What's the distro? Like the server droplet
Is Ubuntu 20.4 thereabout?
Yes, it's 20.4.
and the RAM?
The RAM is 4 GB.
4 GB.
Yeah, it's not RAM. It's the same specification for the other for data science.
Oh, okay.
So the issue is not RAM. What I would suggest is let's have a clean box. Start the installation all over again. What happened possibly was that your installation inherited the wrong parameters.
Oh,
It's back.
Okay, it's okay now. It's working now.
Back now, yeah.
it's not even my. Oh yeah, great. So this is the current interface. It's where you carry out the different queries on the different data that you put in there.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, so that's basically it.
Wow, great.
I wanted you to look at the query interface. So that's where you find it, and then you run the different queries on the different data that you put in the FDP or in the that you generate using the CRF wizard. So congrats IBBUL on your VODAN in a box installation.
Thank you.
Oh my God, this took longer than I expected. But
Yeah. It's also a learning process, so we can attribute it to the network speed or anything. Oluwale, maybe you agree with us.
Patience is the key.
It's possible.
Yeah. It's good that we're learning also. So network performance engineers will have to take note.
yeah. Oh, this is such an interesting session. Yeah.
Thank you, Miriam.
No problem. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone that was,
Well done, Miriam.
yes, Oluwale.
Yeah, you should clean your sweat. You're sweating.
Yeah, well done, Maria. You're really strolling through this procedure very soon. It's
That
so
I'm
great.
funny. That's so funny.
Yeah.
Okay, so but well done, guys.
Thank you, Miriam, once more for the guide.
No problem. So you can just play around with your VIB now, and yeah, in case of any question, you can always reach me on WhatsApp.
Miss
Okay.
Mariam, just wanted to suggest one thing. All these steps, I mean, it can be created using, the screenshots can be taken and a PowerPoint can be created for the users to do it next
Oh,
time if they want.
great
Yeah.
suggestion.
Perfect. That
So,
would be good.
yeah, that's a good suggestion. Thank you. Okay, so well done, guys. I think we're done, and I don't know where everyone else has disappeared to. Is Charles still on the call?
I guess we have come to the end.
Yeah, we started at 38 members. I don't know where they're going.
Yeah, we've had a few drop-offs along the way. I believe over time, you guys will get used to it. The good thing is the webinar is being recorded, so it
Yeah.
should serve as a good reference point for everyone in case they need to troubleshoot their own
Yes,
installations.
yes.
There was a question from Ghetto in terms of how is it a requirement every time to add the UUID from the distribution URL in the submission service every time they create a distribution in the FDP?
No, that distribution is specifically for the CRF, okay?
Yeah.
So that will be specifically for the CRF because the VODAN in a box is specifically for the electronic case report form, okay? Yeah. So it's the only one that you can, for now, that's the only like data that you can do queries on. Does that make sense? So if you create different catalogs and data sets, you would not be able to carry out queries on them, if that makes sense. Does that make sense?
Well, I guess it depends on Ghetto, but to me it does. I believe the queries are connected to the CRF developed in the wizard, which has its own semantic model based used to generate the template itself. So every unless you want to recreate a new template for your own data collection, depending on whatever data you want to put up on your distribution that is not related to the CRF, then you would have some challenges there. I guess you would have to develop a side model and then generate the template and then set up the graph to query that specific data set.
Yes, well said, Charles. Thank you.
Any additional questions before we close the show or comments? Both from the installation and the presentation, if we can still remember. Well, I guess that's a no. I guess people are just waiting for us to say it's over. Yeah, all right. So I don't know whether Francisca has any closing announcements before we shut it down.
Yes, Charles, thank you very much. And I would like to thank everyone for their patience, for everyone who waited to the end. At least our patience all paid off. Thank you so much. And congratulations to every one of us. And special thanks to Miriam and Oluwole, and of course, Engineer Elijah, and to you, Charles. The announcement is already available on our website, and the press We'll be out on it very, very soon. Earlier on, we had two very senior managers from the Dutch Development Bank. We had Jasper Klapwick, the manager for the business development manager, and then we have Swenja, who is another manager in charge of emerging markets. But I guess they couldn't wait, but at least they were here till the first time when we loaded the VODAN in a box interface. So it's actually a huge one they came into, because they are funding us up to the tune of 300,000 euros. So I guess they came to see where they're putting their money in. And congratulations, VODAN Africa, we didn't disappoint. So thanks to everyone. We started from the east of Africa, then we went westwards to Nigeria, the west of Africa, and we decided to stay there for 2 weeks. I guess we're so comfortable. So the next, we're coming back east to Ethiopia. Dr. Wondino and Getu, I believe you're ready. Next week, we shall do Mekele University and Addis Ababa University. And please believe me when I tell you this time around that Miriam, we will do all the pre-installation, everything before we come in. So we're going to stay within the 1 hour for next week. We have decreased the learning curve now. We know we've seen where our difficulties are. So we'll work on eliminating those and make sure we're just coming to present you with a clean VODAN in a box. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you next week. Charles, over to you. Thank you.
All right, congratulations once more to the IBBUL team and Miriam as well. Good job. Like I said before, the recorded version of this webinar will be available on the VODAN Africa website. So in case you missed part of it, or you know someone who dropped off along the way and they would need to refer to some sections of it, they can check it out there. As said by Francisca, be sure to join us next week for the 17th installment of the Metadata for Machines workshop on Tuesday next week. So details on the timings will be shared on the various communication channels, which is Slack, WhatsApp, and email. Thanks again for joining us today and sticking through the 2-hour session. And I guess we will see you next time.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.